What's going on YouTubers? In this tutorial video I just want to show you how I create this echo effect inside After Effects. Stick around. Yes guys, so now this is my footage clip I'm going to use. So now double click here on it and then just go here on this brush which is called roto brush tool. So now click here on it. First I'm going to roto my subject here guys. So I have to select this subject first. Okay. So when this roto brush is not fitting well with your brush, just you can hold Alt on your keyboard just to remove this brush just like this. Okay, so just I have to mask well this. So now I just want to play one frame by frame and let me see how my roto brush is affecting my subject. Okay. Okay, so my roto brush is already affecting my subject. So now back here on this composition, and then I'm going to duplicate this footage twice by Ctrl+D. Okay, so now come here on the last layer creep, and then I have to delete this roto brush effect. Then I have to delete it. Okay, so now come here on the middle layer and then just click here on this middle layer and then go on effect. I'm just going to find effect called echo effect and then drop this echo effect on the middle of this layer. And then let's go here on the echo settings. So first I have to add the numbers of echo which I want. So now I just want 15 numbers of echoes. You see how my echo it is on this clip guys. Okay, but for this echo operator I have to choose this composite in front. I just want to change the echo looks like my real subject. Okay, so and the echo time it must be like 0.033, and then for this starting intensity it must starting now like 0.80, and then for this delay I have to reduce like 0.70. okay, so when I try to play and you see how this echo is going on, this is play good. And then after this, so back here on effect and then search other effect called directional blur and then drop this effect on again on this middle of this layer. For this direction I have to choose 90 degree. Okay, depend what the kind of direction you want your echo to be in. So when I play, it is in a good direction guys. So and then guys, after this I'm going to create the new solid by right click here, click here on new and then create the solid. Let me choose the green color and then click OK, and then move this solid down for this middle layer. Okay, so and then I have to mask this solid as rectangular shape. So I have to mask this rectangular shape just like this. Okay, so then after this guys, and then go here on effect and then search the effect called wave warp. This wave warp, and then you have to drop it here on this solid layer. And then for this height, let me first choose like 120. okay, for this wave type I just want this noise type, because I just want this wave to be like horizontal line, so I have to choose this line in 1 180. Yes, yeah, this is pretty good. And I can increase this wave height just like this, guys. Okay, for better this effect, I can animate this wave height. Okay, so I can add some keyframe here, and then when I jump like a few frames, I can increase this wave height. When I jump a few frames, I can back on the small number like 100, just like this. After this, you can duplicate these keyframes by, when you open up this solid, you can come here on effect and then open up this wave wrap. Before, you can smooth this keyframe by right click and then click here on keyframe assistant, then go here on easy. So I can select it all and then you copy it and then just you duplicate in whole clip. So when I play, you see how this effect is going on. Yeah, this is pretty good. After this, close this solid, and then I'm going to add some hue saturation effect, this hue saturation, and then drop it here on this solid. This hue saturation is for changing the color for this wave warp, this effect, this solid. So now when I click here on it, I can also add some keyframe here on the beginning of my clip. When I jump like a frames, I can just increase some colors. So when you play, the color is gonna be changed, any color, change color by colors. Okay, yeah, this is pretty dope. And the last one, I have to add some glitch. I can add some glitch here on this effect. I can add this V-Ray digital glitch, and then you have to drop it here on this solid. So I can increase this horizontal field view. You see how this solid is going on, and then how I can increase like this vertical field of view. So when I play, this is how the clip it is going on. So first I have to wait a few little bit. This software is rendering my clip. Okay, wow, this is a awesome clip, guys. So now you can use this effect in your music video. Just, yeah, this is how you can create this echo glitch effect inside After Effects. If you like my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And in the next video, I will give you another boom. Thanks for watching and stay creative. Peace.